Hello, this is Dale Crosby from CPD for Accountants. Welcome to this introduction to the Virtual CFO course. There's no question that digitisation and financial analytics are transforming the traditional CFO role. The owners of SMEs now have real-time access to financial information in a way that was previously only available to larger firms. These owners are looking for professional advice on how to use this information to plan for growth and value within their business. Accountants in public practice are ideally suited to provide this service through technology and a strong focus on communication and engagement. A virtual CFO is a person or an accounting firm that takes on the role of CFO for a client on a contract basis. Because of cloud accounting, they can work largely remotely to monitor finances and advise on key business decisions. Their investment in the development of digital solutions, data analytics, and processes is affordable because it can be spread across many clients. Virtual CFOs are well placed to help business owners focus on essential, long-term strategic and financial planning goals. They base their planning and forecasting activities around the business drivers and report performance against these drivers. There's no question that most accounting firms are probably performing some level of virtual CFO services on an ad hoc basis. The challenge, of course, is leverage. With leverage comes the ability to charge appropriately for service on a consistent basis to a significant number of clients. Without leverage, it's very difficult to identify those opportunities and to take advantage of them on a consistent basis. Some key services performed by virtual CFOs might include developing financial reporting systems, providing forecasting and planning tools, conducting ongoing cost analysis, providing advice on business performance, evaluating growth opportunities, restructuring, M&A and succession planning, and ongoing review of risk exposure. How many of these services are you currently performing? And do you perform them on a consistent basis or simply when a client raises their hand? This course is designed to provide a guide to establishing a virtual CFO service for accountants and advisors in public practice. Over 8 modules, we'll discuss key steps to identify services you can provide, how to position those services effectively, get clients across the line, and deliver services in a way that adds ongoing value. We'll consider the key challenges that firms face in delivering these services, including price sensitivity, scope creep, and reducing value over time. Our courses have 4 key elements: online modules, which include presentations and support materials; module workbooks, to focus on specific concepts and actions identified in the presentations; the development and implementation of personal smart actions, and ongoing feedback and discussion. This course consists of 8 modules. Let's have a quick look at the content of each of those modules. We'll start off by looking at essential virtual CFO services for accounting firms, including periodic reporting and review, budgeting and forecasting. We'll then look at technology and workflow solutions. How do we provide financial reporting and analysis? How do we manage workflow? And how do we effectively leverage the services we're providing to ensure that clients receive them in a cost-effective way? In Module 3, we'll look at how to get virtual CFO clients across the line with additional services. Which clients should you approach? How do you engage those clients and actually get them to sign on the dotted line? In Module 4, we'll look at managing scope and fee for service. How do we establish and manage expectations? What does the 12 months of engagement look like? And how do we effectively engage clients on an ongoing basis? In Module 5, we'll look at managing client expectations, key communication skills, how we explore clients' business goals, and how we manage work which is outside scope when clients are already paying us a significant fee for the services they currently receive. In Module 6, we'll look at project and task management. Module 7, how do we run advisory board meetings? How do we maximize the value of your input? How do we implement the correct meeting structure and manage the balance between strategic and operational discussions in board meetings. And finally, how do we keep the virtual CFO business relationship fresh? We'll talk about a process for regular review and feedback, how we bring new ideas and concepts into play, and most importantly, how we can ensure that we have the opportunity to realign the scope to new circumstances. This course is suitable for managers and partners who want to develop a virtual CFO platform or refine their existing approach to providing these services to business clients. There's no question that the digital revolution is leading to significant changes in the way that professional firms manage their work, their people, and their clients. Our content is directly relevant to public practice. Examples and case studies refer to real-life situations experienced in a professional service environment, and we utilise our experience in working directly with accounting and advisory firms to achieve sustainability and growth. Our e-learning platform gives learners access to self-paced learning courses in a modular format. Learners can complete courses at a place that suits them within and outside work hours. You can see at a glance how staff are progressing if that's appropriate for you. Assessment tasks are qualitative. There's no right or wrong answer. They encourage learners to develop practical actions demonstrating understanding of the concepts. Our support material includes workbooks, slides, template scripts, and articles. And all learners have access to course content for 12 months following enrolment. This course is worth 16 CPD hours. If you'd like further information on how we structure our courses to create eligibility for CPD hours, please visit our website. It's most important that our modules and courses are structured with specific learning objectives and assessment tasks. Learners are expected to demonstrate through assessment tasks that they understand those objectives and they can apply concepts to their real-life situation. There are no right or wrong answers, as I outlined earlier. The intent of this course is to give you some guidelines for helping you to achieve the results you're looking for in your firm. All of our courses follow a 4-step process: understand, evaluate, implement, and review. Most importantly, we focus on smart actions as we complete each module. Learners in all courses are required to identify and complete smart actions in association with each module. Smart actions are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. All these actions are documented. They're included in module assessment tasks, and you review those as you work through and complete the course. As the course finishes, you should have a comprehensive project plan and action list in place for further action. This slide demonstrates an example of a smart action plan from one of our courses. You can see how specific it is. As you work through each module, you'll certainly be given feedback on the quality of the smart actions that you develop. As I mentioned earlier, our e-learning platform incorporates manager access to course status for each of the firm's learners enrolled in courses. If you have multiple learners, you can get access to information on progress, scores, grade, the number of assessment tasks required to complete the course, the time since the course was last visited, and further information on learner activity. If you do have any question about our courses or the way our e-learning platform works, just submit your question or visit cpdforaccountants.com.au. I hope to see you at this course or one of our upcoming e-learning courses.